And it's word watch of 4th class. First unit is completed of Lahore. Okay, now we are going to start unit number 3, life in another country. What is it like in another country? Have you ever thought about what it might be like to live in another country? Why? Because every country has different way of life. Okay, every country has on its different way of life, according to its culture, according to its heritage, according to its religion. Every country has its own culture and tradition. Okay, according to heritage and religion. Its culture according to heritage, its heritage and its religion, because religion is very important for, and also heritage very important for every country, because every people love his culture and love his religion also. Okay, every country made its law according to his religion. Okay, according to its religion, every country follows its own religion. Okay, like Pakistan follows the Islamic religion, because majority of Pakistan are Muslims and some are Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Parsis. Now we are going to discuss some Pakistan and Australia. Okay, some facilities of Pakistan and Australia. Pakistan, people of Pakistan speak Urdu language. Okay, Urdu language, it's a national language of Pakistan. Okay, and Australia, English language is national language of Australia. People speaks also English language in Pakistan, but Urdu is a national language of Pakistan. Okay, Australia is fast growing city. Okay, Australia is fast growing city, but country. It's wrong. Australia is fast growing country. Okay, Pakistan is not fast growing country than Australia. Next one, less facilities. Pakistan has less facilities than Australia. Pakistan has too much facilities and too much lovely areas and beautiful areas, but than Australia, Pakistan has less facilities. Okay, Australia has more facilities. For Australia provides more facility to his people. Australia provide more facility to its people, like education facilities and living facilities, job facilities. Okay, next one is developing country. Pakistan is a developing country. Okay, but Australia is developed country. Developing country is less than developed country. Okay, Pakistan majority are Muslims. Therefore, laws of Pakistan is made by according to Muslims, Islamic laws. Okay, and majority non-Muslim. Australia has majority non-Muslim. Therefore, its laws and rules according to non-Muslims. Okay, let's start reading. Nazia, and it's a story of Nazia and Lisa. Okay, Nazia don't know proper English, then it's send an email to Lisa for learning English. Okay, Nazia lives in Sialkot in Pakistan. Okay, Nazia lives in Pakistan, city Sialkot. She writes to an Ipal who lives in Australia. She writes to an Ipal. What is Ipal? An Ipal, a person that you make friends by sending emails, often somebody you have never met. Okay, before that you have never met that person, but you make a friend with emails. That's called Ipal. Okay, who lives in Australia. Her name is Lisa and she lives in Sydney. Nazia writes to Lisa to help her improve her English. Okay, because Pakistan national language is Urdu, and some people speak English, but Lisa's know properly know English language. Okay, find Australia on the map. Find the cities of Sialkot and Sydney on this map. Let's start to find Sydney and Sialkot. This is Australia. Okay, friends, this is Australia, and this is Pakistan. It's a map of the world. This is Pakistan. Australia is too much bigger than Pakistan. Okay. Nazia lives here. Okay, and Lisa lives here, because Sydney in this side of Australia and Sialkot in this side of Pakistan. Okay, students. Is the capital city of Australia. Canberra is the capital city of Australia, but Sydney is the largest city in Australia, and Lisa live in Sydney. Okay. Now write some questions. Answer these questions in your notebooks. Where does Lisa live? Lisa live in Sydney. Where does Nazia live? Nazia live in Sialkot. Okay. Name 2 countries that have a border with Pakistan. You read in last unit, but here you can find here easily. Afghanistan and India has a border. Afghanistan and India that have a border with Pakistan. Okay. Name 2 countries to the north of Australia. You can also find these 2 countries on map. This is north side of Australia. Okay. You can find here Indonesia, East Timor. These 2 cities in the north side of Australia. Name 2 countries on the map that begin with the letter B. Okay, that begin with the letter B. Yes, we can find on the map. Look at here: Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Asia, and start with B. Bhutan and Bangladesh. These 2 cities are start with and begin with B. Okay. Next one is, if you could travel to any of these countries, which one would you choose? Say why you would like to go there. If you could travel to any of these countries, which one would you choose? Any of these countries. Okay, on this map, say why you would like to go there. Answer this question according to your choice, like that, like it. I wanna go to India due to I wanna see her culture, see its culture. I wanna see culture of India and heritage of India by self. Okay, like that you can write answer of this question according to your choice. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.